teaspoon lemon.
What a sound.
What is wrong with that juicer?
Hey guys, it's Katie and we are back with another translation challenge. If you haven't been here before, what we do is we take a recipe, we put it into Google Translate, we go from English to German to Japanese to Arabic to Zulu and many, many more, all the way back to English to give us this hilariously translated recipe. Last time Jasmine pulled a fast one on me and made me do it. She's not gonna get away with that today. I have made the translation pretty hard today. That's a little bit of payback. So let's get in there and give her surprise. Okay, Jasmine.
Oh, I'm scared.
This is a simpler recipe sent in by you guys.
Oh, thanks, guys.
But I made the translation really hard.
Oh, no.
Payback.
Oh,
You're being great, you're being great. You still get clues. You still get everything.
Farm on the Moon.
Isn't it so fun?
It's like so fun.
It's like a David Bowie song. I'm on a farm on the moon. Don't read any other things.
I know read.
Let's get started.
Okay.
Okay.
Step 1, add half cup water, 1 copy joker, and put where to put in the pot.
This is what happens. This is payback.
Copy joker, copy sheet, 1 sheet joker, funny joker card, 1 sheet, 1.
What's happening?
I'm trying to think out loud. Half cup water, but where to put in pot? Pot.
You seem like you're gonna hit someone with that.
If step 2's not easier, might be you.
It's not. Yeah.
Oh, water!
Wow, that's a lot of water.
Add half cup water. I'm adding half a cup of water and put where to put in the pot. 1 cup, joker.
Anything coming to mind?
Solitaire, clown, milk. I'm gonna go with sugar.
Why are you doing sugar?
Because if it's gonna be savory, it's fine. If there's some sugar, it'll be like, sweet and savory. And I'm gonna stick with a cup. Is it right? I don't know. So I assume I'm making some simple syrup right now. Step 2, find the answer and look until juicy. Find the answer means like maybe like.
Are you scared? What's happening?
I'm shutting down.
You are. You're like a robot shutting down.
I'm gonna find my hot plate.
So you think the recipe line was find your hot plate?
I don't know. I think it's like stir until sugar has dissolved. I'm choosing to put it on a hot plate and stir until it becomes syrupy. Okay, this looks juicy to me. Let's move on to the next step. Step number 3. Turn the flame over and 1 teaspoon, what is it, lemon, 1/4 teaspoon cadmium, and a pinch of garlic. What? Okay, so turn off the heat.
So how do you know it's turn off the heat?
I don't. And 1 teaspoon, what is it, lemon? Lemon. I'm gonna roll this so it's nice and juicy.
You think it's lemon. No, I'm just asking. So lemon is lemon juice.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm just gonna eyeball a teaspoon lemon.
What is wrong with that juicer? What a sound.
1/4 teaspoon cadmium and a pinch of garlic. What's cadmium?
It's in metal.
Is it really? Why am I talking like this? I'm nervous. All right, let's look at these spices. Saffron, celery salt, how fun. Cardamom.
Wait, what? Why'd you get excited?
Sounds like cadmium, which is a perfect way to throw me off. I think I'm gonna ask for a hint.
Who would you like your hint from?
Kelly.
Sorry. No. Kelly. I have terrible hints. Sorry, Kelly, go for it.
I'm just gonna say you were on the right track when you picked something up.
Dang it! Cardamom. Let's add a 1/4 teaspoon of cadmium, which I'm choosing to be cardamom, and a pinch of garlic. I actually want to say it should be a pinch of salt. Who says pinch of garlic? Nobody.
Wait, what?
Nobody.
Nobody. Let's mince some garlic, shall we?
So how did you come to this conclusion?
Well, I wanted to do a pinch of salt, but I don't see any salt on the table. So I am going with garlic. It's not gonna make it worse. Garlic only makes things better.
Have you ever made anything like this before?
With this amount of sugar, I feel like it's some sort of like sauce for meat or something.
Look how good you are at your mincing.
So I don't know how finely minced this is supposed to be, right?
I could not tell you. Are you adding all that?
I'll just add what's on the knife. Pinch of garlic and a little more. Now mine's gonna taste better than the original.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Step 4, taken. Where's Liam Neeson?
That's all I could keep thinking. He was like, take it. Wow.
I just, what was I gonna do with the extra?
I'm proud of you.
A pinch of garlic means 5 cloves of garlic. You know what? I think taken means put it to the side. Step 5, 1 cup of wheat flour, 2 tablespoon chicken breast, Marcus, and 1/4 teaspoon. Yellow is the color of food in a blender.
Who's Marcus?
I don't know where it came.
1 cup of wheat flour. Wheat flour, does it have to be wheat flour? Is that a trick? Should it actually be regular flour? I didn't even know this existed. Coconut flour. I'm gonna go all purpose. I just feel like you can never go wrong. And if it's not, I think it'll be okay. I would like a hint for chicken breast, Marcus.
From
Mimo.
Is that what you did? Okay, Mimo, do you have a hint?
Save your chicken breast for Marcus.
That was very cryptic, actually. I think Mimo might be giving the worst hint than me.
I don't want Mimo's hint anymore. Save your chicken breast for later.
No. All right, here's your new hint.
Chicken is not the only chick.
Peas.
Chick what?
Peas.
Okay, so what are you gonna do?
Chickpeas. Chickpeas. Coconut.
It's not a chickpea.
Basan, also known as garbanzo or chickpea flour. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon yellow is the color of food in a blender. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go yellow. Why not? I love yellow. It's one of my favorite colors. And if I'm wrong, that's okay. I've been wrong before. Let's add a 1/4 teaspoon of yellow food coloring. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Perhaps mixing is fine. Next step, mix 1 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of water and drink until the cough is strong. 1 cup milk. Does it have to be a specific kind of milk? I'm gonna go with oat milk because I like it. Okay, 1 cup milk. Okay, 1/2 cup water. Am I making a batter? Until the cough is strong, until the batter is thick. I do a little mixy mix. Step 7, if you don't agree with the battery, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Battery is batter? If I don't agree, well, I find that it's agreeable. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I will just add a little bit, like half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Step 8, then add the best 1/2 teaspoon soda and stir head of state. The best baking soda, I presume. We only have the best baking soda here at Tasty, so I stir head of state. Step number 9, push the hook into the pressure cylinder. Pressure cylinder, ooh.
Do you feel good? You think that's it?
Yeah, look at my beautiful batter.
It's beautiful, gorgeous.
A part of me thinks that this could be like some sort of pancake batter. Step number 10, fill the barbecue mold with 1 inch of oil. Reduce the heat. I'm going with 1 inch of oil in this pot. Reduce the heat, simmer. Step 11, pour the flour into the milk to prepare. The flour will rise quickly, but not black. Pour the flour into the oil. The batter will rise quickly. But oh, don't burn it. I'm gonna wait till the oil gets hot and then I'll move on to the next step. Step number 12, make a small town with a mixture of yeast, hot spiral, hard oil. I think this is the hot spiral. I'll do a spiral. That was not a spiral. I think I need to add more flour to this.
It looks like ramen.
It looks like a bunch of seahorses hanging out. Step 13, cook until both are gone. What does that mean? It's burning. I don't know what's happening. I must have messed up somewhere. I'm gonna give a spiral a try again.
Okay, great. Second try. Kelly's eyes switching because she's nervous for you.
Step 14, take the juice in immediately. I think I need a hint.
Yeah?
This batter consistency is not correct. Katie,
Yes.
can you help me?
But here's my hint to you. Make a small town. Not a big town, like a big town.
It's just so runny. I don't even know if I can make a town.
Just try to make a little town.
Okay.
That's new.
That's new. Thank you. Well, you know what?
I like that one.
14. Take the juice and immediately. Take the juice immediately, because it's hot. You pour it over. So I was right. Remember I guessed this earlier? I made a flying saucer.
It's so cool, I like it.
I guess I'll just make more of these because I'd rather eat that than this. I'm just gonna do one more big one like this and then I will move on to the next step. It's reminding me of funnel cake. This mess I'm making.
What if it is funnel cake?
Maybe then I messed up. I kind of regret pranking you because you made this a lot harder. I'm done, that's my last one. So I think I'm just gonna put some squigglies on the bottom for some height. These can take the residual juices. Ooh.
Are those your small towns?
My small town, big town, yummy, yummy. Oh, the juice, okay. My garlic sugar. I'm pouring it over.
Ooh. Ooh. Looks otherworldly right now.
Step 15, solved. Yeah, it is, works. Yeah, it does. Enjoys for 30 seconds. Oh, let it soak for 30 seconds and then eat. I'm finished. Ta-da!
Masterpiece.
My master squiggly towns. Bring in the original. I'm ready to see it. Farm on the moon.
My hands smell like garlic.
Open your eyes.
Ooh.
Okay, this has been my biggest fail yet.
No. No. Do you want to know what the name is?
Yeah.
Okay, it's jalebi.
Oh, jalebi.
Yes, and it is an Indian dessert.
Now let's try Farm on the Moon.
Oh my God.
Really?
Yeah. The garlic is amazing. Phenomenal. I'm not even kidding.
Really?
I'm dead serious.
Wow.
All right, let's try some jalebi.
My batter was definitely not thick enough to make a shape like this.
Was I wrong with the milk?
The milk was wrong. It was supposed to be yogurt.
I knew it. Delicious, but different. I'm very impressed with the shape. It's just beautiful. Entree dessert. This was really fun. Make sure to keep sending recipes to Katie on Instagram at OldLadyKatie and maybe a little easier next time.
Maybe. We'll see.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Oh, yes.